So first you are going to want to have a decent ollie. Having a good shove is optional, but always helps. Now we are ready to start this tutorial. To get comfortable with the front side 180 motion, you are going to want to get comfortable with nose pivots. You are also going to want to practice lifting the board up and pivoting. For foot placement, you're going to want to have your toes hanging off the board and the side of your shoe near the bolts. For your back foot, you're going to want to have it perched on the tail just like an ollie. Once you have your foot placement correct, you're going to want to do an ollie and throw your arms and upper body as hard as you can. An easy way to learn this is to start twisting your upper body a little more with each attempt. You'll eventually start turning more and will wind up in a front side 180. As many of you guys know, that is a lot harder than it looks, so now I'm going to be going over some common problems and the shove it way to do a front side 180. For the shove it mentality, you're going to want to have your front foot in the same location as the regular 180, and you're going to want to have your back foot in the shove it position. The shove it mentality will not only help you stay on the board, but it will help you get the board all the way around. For the shove it 180, you're going to want to push the board with your back foot like a shove it, which will basically help you stay over the board and get all the way around. Here is a super slow motion video so you can see what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to address some common problems with the front side 180. The problem that I see most common, and I had myself, is people not committing to their front side 180s. And an easy way to solve this is to hold on to something when you do your front side 180 to give you confidence and help you commit. Another common problem I see is the board slipping out from under people when they're doing a front side 180. The solution to this problem is putting more of your foot over the front edge of the board. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope I helped you get a better or land your first frontside 180, and see you guys next week on the Cowboy Boys.